Apple takes a lot of flack for the lack of utility in its MacBook's display notches. Compared to the iPhone's Dynamic Island, it's just not that useful, aside from the fact that obviously it houses a webcam. Notch Nook is here to remedy that. Media controls are an obvious starting point, which work pretty much just like they do in the Dynamic Island on the iPhone. There's also a quick mirror shortcut for checking your hair before a video call, and an additional shortcuts shelf that ties into Apple's powerful shortcuts feature. The Files tray is another really handy addition that works as a sort of expanded clipboard. You can pin files here and then copy them to other locations or simply send them via AirDrop. Notch Nook costs $25 for a lifetime license or $3 a month if you prefer to go the subscription route, and I think it does a great job of hanging a lantern on what many people still view as a design weakness. Dropover is similar in function to Notch Nook's Files tray, though with more advanced functionality built in. It's designed to give you a temporary shelf to store files above your desktop. There are a few ways to activate it, either with a wiggle of the mouse pointer with a file selected or using the modifier key, which by default is the Shift key. Once you put some files in there, you'll see Dropover has a ton of helpful additions you can perform en masse to all the files on that shelf, including sharing to other apps or AirDrop, zipping or stitching PDFs together, or batch renaming. For quick sharing to different cloud providers, you'll find support for everything from AWS to Dropbox to Google Drive and OneDrive included. And the full version of Dropover with all these features costs just $9.99.